Hello, welcome back to Murfin Motor Company and another car for sale video. Today we have a lovely Octavia. This is a 2019 1 litre SE, which means it's brilliant little engine. This 1 litre engine. You wouldn't think it drives like a 1600, loads of low down power, and it'll do over 60 to the gallon. It's amazing little piece of technology. This one's only on 24,000 miles, and as you'd expect, it's lovely. Let's have a look. We've finished in grey metallic. We've got nice clean alloys all the way around. The car's been looked after. We've got good tyres there, look. As we come down the side of the car, it's just gleaming in the sunshine. We've got another good tidy wheel there, look, and good tyre again. As we come down the side and the back, you've got the parking sensors down there, so that's a standard feature on the SE. Let's have a look inside. It's had a very light use, this car, to be fair. All the plastics are in really nice condition. The boot looks lovely. Just enormous, these boots. They're bigger than most estate cars. They're great. This car comes with a proper spare. That is a full-size wheel with all the tools and the locking wheel nut and a brand new tyre on it as well. That's better than what they normally come with, which is a tin of tyre weld or something, which works, but I prefer to see a spare personally. We've got another good tyre on the back and wheel, look. Get down here, they've got mud flaps on, so you can see it there, look. And again, down this side, it's all very clean and straight. So let's have a little look inside. SE's got this nice aluminium trim. It's got the two-tone cloth interior. It's got Isofix across the back, obviously. Again, in here it's lovely. It's all the door trims and all the, it's not had a load of people in here bashing it about. Center consoles, spotless. It's been well looked after. Inside we've got, again, the aluminium trim. So let's have a little look inside. So this is the 19 car, will have the upgraded system here. So you've got the widescreen, touchscreen radio here that has the Apple CarPlay, so you can mirror your phone, be it Apple, be it Android, onto here. It's a great system. Obviously radio, meter, all the usual stuff. We've got climate control, air conditioning, USB, start, stop, off, 6-speed manual, and over this side, cruise control, all the volume controls and things you can set up for the trip computer and what have you on there. All for electric windows, they're electric heated mirrors. So it's got nice specification, but just seriously, this engine is an absolute marvel. It's brilliant. It feels like a 1600. It's terrific, but super economical. Let's have a little look at the history. We've got, now these cars obviously work out their intervals depending on usage. So the more or less you use the car, the intervals will come up on the car as required. So I've got this back to front, so let's start this here. So it's only had one previous owner, so 2 in total. We've got its first service in 2020 at a main dealer, where it had a oil change and an inspection service and a used car multi-point check all at the same time at 4,000 miles. We've got the next service here at 8,000 miles, where it had again at the main dealer, it had a service. Oil filter washer and all the usual stuff. Then we moved to a non-main agent, so it went to at 20,000 miles. Now at this point, unbelievably, it had a timing belt fitted as well. So it had a full service and a timing belt, which it wasn't due, but they were, at the time, they were told you had to do it on time, so they did it on time, so at 20,000 miles. And then the last service, it's just had one here sorry, not with us, but it's just had one at 27th of February 25 at 24,000, and it's done 24,000 and some now, so not gone anywhere since its last service. So nice history, nice car. A million taxi drivers, can't be wrong. Not that this was a taxi, obviously, this was privately owned. Another nice wheel and tyre around the front. There you go, it's all just gleaming in the sunshine. So for more information, have a look on our website. It's murfinmotorcompany.co.uk, and there you'll find our contact information. If you want to get in touch, the best thing to do, as ever, pick up the phone, just give us a ring. we can take your car in part exchange. We're FCA accredited to help with finance. Yeah, we're nice people to do business with. We've got lots of good Google reviews. Do have a look at that as well if you like. Cracking little car, that smashing little car. For more information, give us a call. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Ta-da.